Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. And now we're going to reverse vowels of a string. So we need to reverse the vowels. So if we have hello, then we need to say hole. And if it's LeetCode, we need to say liot. So it's E-O-E-E. So we need to iterate backwards. And when we find so if we find a vowel, we need to find another vowel to switch it with. So let me just create a directory, 345 reverse vowel. If you don't know what a vowel is, it's A, B, C, D, E. No, sorry. A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 vowels. Let's go solution papa. So copy this, return, and now solution. We create the object, then reverse vowels of LeetCode. Or this is what YouTubers do. They do subscribe. I can't believe. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Well, I'm gonna do that. Why not? It's not like I'm looking for subscribers, but I've become one of these people. Okay, so now we have the start index, which is an integer equals 0, and index, which is an integer that's equal to length of s minus 1. So while start index is smaller than end index, we're going to do stuff. So if s of start index in A, E, I, O, U, then it's a vowel and we need to do something. And okay. We need to do something, and the same thing with the end index. You can do else start index increment 1, else end index increment 1. So what if it finds? So if it finds something, it should say, hey, I found something. So start index on vowel, and that's a boolean that it starts as false. But if it finds something, it's like, hey, this is true. And we can do the same thing for the end index. End index on vowel. And index on vowel. And I think that if start index on vowel and end index on vowel means both of them are on a vowel, then we can switch and increment and continue and set these ones to false. So first s of start index and s of end index. I'm gonna move my camera away. S of end index equals s of end index and s of start index. So they switch. Now we set the flags to be false. And we increment them. And I think that, yeah, we increment them. We're incrementing them twice in the same code. Maybe there could be an optimization to save code here. Let's see if subscribe. Oh, I need to return s. So let's see what happens if we run the code. I think I can move my camera back to the same place. S index, string index out of range. Oh, we need to decrement, sorry. We need to move it back. Okay, so subscribe is the same. I'm not doing anything. Am I reaching this place? No. Oh, yeah, because this. Oh, I know where I messed up. It was just checking if the index was in a list of strings. Now it's checking if the character was in a list of strings. Now it's checking if the character is in the string. Good. S start index. String does support item assignment. It doesn't. So s of 0 equals x. Oh, I thought it did. Let's like replace. I didn't know that. Let me search Python change char of string by index. So strings are immutable. I didn't know that strings are immutable, so I need to create a new string. Okay, so I'm just gonna do something different. So I think that I can just go and convert a string into a list of a. Yeah. So s equals list of a of s, and then at the end we just need to return the string version of that, so we just need to join by an empty space s. So s is subscribo. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I didn't know strings were immutable in Python. That's something new to me. Oh, it also allows capital letters. I didn't know that. A-E-I-O-U. Submit. Okay, I'm happy with the result. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. See you later.